within a way to try to get water to communities. While these solutions are not the answer to the problems, but at least we are making an attempt to get water.
This water shop ground was broken in 2016, and it actually was brought into operation November 16, 2017. This water shop presently serves approximately 60 people per week and dispense about 8,000 gallons of water on a weekly basis.
The Pennant's Water Shop is the first such facility to be established in the country. More than 3 years later, the Ministry of Local Government and Community Development has commissioned into service over 7 water shops across the island. Parishes such as St. Elizabeth, Clarendon, Manchester and Portland are happy to have unlimited access to potable water. These water shops have quenched the thirsts of many residents who do not have the precious commodity flowing through their taps.
And we provide this water free of cost.
Well, I've got 2 tanks. I don't drink the tank water. My husband, sometimes we went on the road to get water, but since this water is here, we fetch the water from here for drinking. That's how we get water.
Pennants is one of these rural communities, largely farming, with a population of over 3,000 people. There are a lot of people here, of course, and one of the challenges we have is lack of running water. The district is not adequately served by any water system. There was once upon a time that water came from the northern side of the parish, but because of the increase in population, we get water here just every now and again, a little trickle. It's really rainwater that suffices the citizens, and the river. There's a river nearby that they also use for washing and other purposes.
I appreciate it that the water shop is here. We can come and catch water when we want, drink water.
So at this point in time, I think that this is probably the only reliable source of potable water for the citizens of Pennants and the surrounding communities. It's Crooked River, Prospect, Main Ridge, Mullet Hall, Dank Savoy, Summerfield, Beckford Crawl, Iron Gate, Blackwoods. In fact, almost all the communities surrounding Pennants, we have residents using this water shop. This water is bought from the NWC system. It's treated water, and then when it comes here, it's again treated. So it's chlorinated from the NWC system, and then it is filtered here. So what you have is proper drinking water being dispensed at this facility.
Tastes good because you cannot taste no chlorine in it. It's just crystal clear and drink very light.
I drink this water, and I don't put it on the fridge. I just catch it, put it down, and I just drink when I want water to drink. It tastes good.
Most people really appreciate the services being offered here. Of course, they will also tell you that they would prefer for the water to be come directly to their homes, and they are willing to pay for it. So this water shop really wasn't intended to be the end in itself. The long-term plan, of course, is to have a proper water source and water piped to the individual homes, wherein it is metered and paid for.